is Ganita and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing good and I am doing good too. So in today's video, I am going to discuss the top 10 essential products that always a girl should carry with her. So without any more delay, let's dive into the video. So the first and the most important product a girl should carry with her is a perfume. You can carry a perfume or a body mist. I do carry body mist, but I will suggest you guys to carry a perfume because perfume is something which will last for a long time, and the body mist is just for 2 or 3 hours. That's it. It is not going to last for more than 3 hours. So I will suggest you guys to carry perfume or a body mist, but I am comfortable with body mist, so I will carry a body mist. And if you are comfortable with perfume or body mist, you can carry both. But I will suggest you to carry a perfume or a body mist because it is so essential for during summer. It is so essential for summers because summers are so hot and we used to sweat a lot, so we need something which keeps us smell good. So don't ever forget to carry a body mist or perfume. Body mist I use is from Bath and Body Works Japanese Cherry Blossom flavor. So this is so good, you guys. It is so mild fragrance. It contains strawberry and cherry. Yeah, it contains strawberry and cherry fragrance, and it is so mild. It does contains mild fragrance. It is so good for summers. Yeah. So the next, and I also have and I will also carry a perfume, and this is JS Magnetic Power perfume, and lasts at least for 7 hours. Yeah, this perfume lasts for 7 hours and it is so good. It does not have a harsh fragrance. It has a mild fragrance. It is so good and it is also so good. But I will always go with this body mist because it is so good. It smells divine. So it is always good to carry a body mist or perfume during the summer, or even not during summer also, because if we need to be confident, we always need to smell good. So do carry a perfume or a body mist with you guys always. Don't ever forget it. So there are also so many tiny perfumes and body mists, so you can go and buy them and you can just put it in your bag and you can walk away. Next, second product is to have a tissue paper or a napkin. So I will always suggest you to have a napkin. And this is microfiber napkin. It is so good to remove your makeup. It does absorb water easily and it dries so fast. So I'll suggest you guys to buy a microfiber towel. If you are taking it with you or not, it does not matter. Always have a microfiber towel. And this is tissue. This is a pocket tissue. It is just for 10 rupees or 20. You should always have a tissue with you guys because we don't know that when we need a tissue or a napkin, because it is so essential. If we have sweat, or if we have to remove our makeup, or if we just spill something in our dress, we need something to clean it up. So just don't ever forget to carry a napkin or a tissue. I will suggest you guys to carry both of them because it is gonna help you in any of the way. The most essential product is to carry a sanitizer with you forever. We don't know that the corona is going to end or it is going to last forever. It's so essential to always have a sanitizer in your bags. There are also a sachet packets in market. You can buy them, and this costs for 1 rupee for one sachet. So you can just buy this for 10 and you can just put in your bag and you can go out. Or you can carry a pocket-friendly hand sanitizer, there are so many pocket-friendly hand sanitizer these days. So you can go and buy them and you can put it in your bag and just walk away. Don't ever forget to take your sanitizer with you guys. It's so essential, and it is also going to be essential for our future. So don't ever forget to take hand sanitizer with you guys. Fourth essential product to have a box. So it is not just a box. I do have so many things in it. This is a clutch. I know every girl needs a clutch. Without the clutch, the day does not end. Every girl needs a clutch. And I also have clips. I also have safety pin. I also have rubber band, and I also have earrings. So clips, rubber bands and safety pins. So It is one of the essential, because we don't know that when we need safety pins, when we need clutch. So always carry a box like this with you, help you in any of this. Will surely, I will give you assurance that this will help you. I will give you assurance that this is going to help you in any of your time. So just carry a box of this, and I hope it will help you guys. Don't forget to carry a box like this. Every girl should need this. It is so essential product. It is also an essential product. Don't ever forget to carry this with you guys. The fifth essential product is to carry a mist. It is for the face mist. Okay, this is a face mist. This is made by me. It is nothing but just a water, a pure water, the RO water which we drink. Just I'll store it and I'll keep this in refrigerator. If I feel tired, I'll just spray it in my face. So always don't forget to carry a mist like this. There are so many face mist over the market. You can go and buy any of them. But I always need fresh water for me. It's enough for me. So don't ever forget to carry a mist. It is so essential. You're gonna thank me later, because during summer also it is essential. During winter also it is going to be the most essential thing. So don't ever forget to carry a mist. Carry a face mist with you guys. So the sixth most essential product is to carry a face laser with you guys. Face laser will help you guys if you need to trim your eyebrow, if you have any interview, if you have any work to be done. You can just if you feel that you have hair in your face, you can just take it and trim it over all your face, and you can good to go. So it is going to also help you to defend yourself from something wrong. So don't ever forget to carry a face laser with you guys, and it should be also sharp too. So the seventh essential product is to always carry a compact mirror with you guys. It is so important. I'm not going to show because you can see my camera, everything. So this is the compact mirror. You can I have both sides. So it's going to be a long mirror for me. So it is so important, you guys. If you want to check on yourself, then you don't need to rush to the washroom. You can just open the mirror and you can check on yourself that you're good or not. So I will always suggest you guys to carry a compact mirror with you guys, and it is going to help you in any of the way. I am telling you guys that it is going to help you in any of the way. So don't forget to carry a mirror with you guys. Eighth essential product is to always carry a lip balm. It is going to help you guys, and I am using Biotic Advanced Bio Almond Lip Balm. If you're not wearing a lipstick, it's okay, it's fine. You can just wear the lip balm and you are good to go. So it gives you a glossy finish. It gives you a glossy finish. So you don't want to wear a lipstick. So you can, if you are a college student or if you are a school student, you can always carry a lip balm with you. So it will also keep your lips moisturized, and it is so good for your lips, moisturized, and it is so good for your lips. So always carry a lip balm with you. I don't suggest you guys to don't carry a lipstick, but rather than lipstick you can carry this also, because if you forget a lipstick in any of the occasion, you can just take the lip balm and you can wear it, and you are good to go. So don't ever forget to carry a lip balm with you guys. It is so essential product. During winters you are going to always need a lip balm, because during winters your lips are going to get dry so much. Always don't forget to carry a lip balm. If you have not started to use a lip balm, then you have to start it, guys. If not now, then when? So just go and buy a lip balm and always use it whenever your lips get dry, and you'll thank me later for your baby lips. So the ninth product is to always carry a good makeup remover. It is so essential. I know we all used to wear at least light makeup. Don't ever take your makeup off by using a face wash or a soap. It's going to damage your skin. So don't ever do that. Always carry a makeup remover. It is so tiny. Look, it is so tiny. I'll show you by like this. Okay. It is in my hand, in my palm size. It is so tiny. You can carry this in your bag. It is going to help you when you have to take your makeup. Wearing a makeup, you can feel comfortable. okay, by wearing makeup you can feel comfortable, but you don't feel always comfortable by wearing a makeup. So you can get rid of your makeup by using this makeup remover. Don't ever forget to take a makeup remover with you guys, because it's going to help you anyhow. After office work, you can come to washroom and just take off your makeup and just apply a moisturizer, and you can go back to your home. You don't need to go to home and take off the makeup. It is good, removing your makeup as soon as possible is going to make your skin more healthy, and removing the makeup as soon as you can is going to make your skin feel good, and you are going to feel good too, because most of the people are not comfortable by wearing the makeup for 24 hours. So for them, I will suggest you guys to always carry a makeup remover with you guys. And the 10th most essential product is and the 10th and final most essential product is to carry a box of jewelers. I will suggest for the working women and for the content creators or the photo shoot girls to always carry a set of earrings. These are the earrings which I brought from Amazon. These are the set of 6 earrings. It has 3 studs and it has 3 hanging, and carry a chain. Okay, and always carry a neck piece with you guys, because you don't know when you need a neck piece and when you need a earring. So always carry a neck piece and earrings with you, because even if you are not looking good, even if you are not wearing a good dress, just by wearing a earring and by wearing a neck piece, it is going to change. Wearing this stone earring from the set of this, because it goes with every dress. So don't ever forget to carry a box of jewels like studs, like neck piece, like bracelet, like rings, because everything adds up and give you a good look. So don't ever forget to carry this with you guys. It is going to help anyhow. Okay, it is going to help you anyhow. Or if it is not helping you, then what? It is going to help another girl who needs it. Okay, it's going to help anyhow. So don't ever forget to carry a box of jewels with you. It's going to help you anyhow. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I have given you a little bit idea that what are the essential things you have to carry with you guys. This is according to me, okay? These essential products are according to me, and I feel like these are the essential products that I should carry and a girl should carry. If you have any suggestion to me that what I should carry with me, if you have any suggestions to me to add few more products or few products with this products has essential, so then don't ever forget to comment down in the comments box. So I will meet you guys in my next upcoming video. Until then, stay positive, stay happy, and be safe with your loved ones. Take care of your loved ones. I know that it is a difficult time. We all should stay together and survive this together, and we can and we will. So bye you guys.